The thesis has dealt with the theme of the rehabilitation of an industrial polluted site in the south of France. The architectural tool that has been used are the so-called soft techniques or poorly invasive ones, aimed to get the best quality of life for the inhabitants, reducing at the least the consumption of resources and the contribution of external matter. The chosen materials are humble and simple as the values that have marked these spaces from the 1608, year of the first tannery installation due to Jean-Baptiste Bayon. The same factory was the last to close in the 1983 after 4 centuries that have brought the small cities of Valjean to deserve the title of European Leaders' Capital. The aim of the work is to give a form and a function that would integrate the building with the natural and urban surrounding, taking into account the pollution and the structural situation. The site is opened by 2 wide bridges at the ground floor and by an irregular one at the roof level, making it permeable to air and light and giving a new connection with the surrounding intricate urban pattern. The intervention was to safeguard the spatial and structural complexity of the building by organizing different flux paths at each level, emphasized by cut and gangway orthogonal to the 2 main axes. Wide surfaces of extensive and intensive green would establish a relationship among the external environment and the factory. A multifunctional program will integrate public and commercial spaces at the ground floor to a complex program of social housing at the upper one. The huge volumes are managed by the insertion of wooden frameforms insulated at the thermal and acoustical level and structural independence. So to start, therefore, from a solid but damaged system to develop a mechanism of reappropriation of abandoned spaces, reinterpreting them so as to exalt their industrial past and its coexistence with the Occitan panorama.